Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and welcome back to online classes of Iqra First Boys Secondary Schools, our project of Iqra Education System. Dear students of class 9, we are going through the question answers of unit number 5, Healthy Lifestyle, and in that we are studying health problems caused by mosquitoes. We have already covered 5 questions along with their answers in the last video lecture. Today we will go through the remaining 5 questions from question number 6 to question number 10. But before we further go ahead, let me take you through an interesting segment. And yes, you are right. I will ask you a riddle. Here you are. The riddle is, what goes up and down but doesn't move? What goes up and down but doesn't move? वो क्या चीज है that goes up, that goes down, but that doesn't move at all? How strange it is. ऊपर भी जाती है, नीचे भी जाती है, लेकिन move नहीं करती. So I will answer this riddle in the end of the video. Meanwhile, you may think about it and we will go through the remaining sentences, remaining question answers from question number 6 to question number 10. So dear students, now we will continue exercise number 7 on page number 114 in our book. Everybody open your book and keep your register open too. We have already covered 5 questions as we discussed earlier. We will be covering questions 6 to 10 now, and for that you need to write down these questions and answers in your registers as you did it yesterday. Question number 6 we will start from, and if you are doing this work, you have to continue this work from where you left yesterday. जहाँ कल आपने काम छोड़ा था वहीं से आप कंटिन्यू करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 और उसका जो आंसर आपने लिखा उसके बाद एक लाइन स्किप करेंगे और फिर ब्लैक से आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 राइट डाउन करेंगे, एंड देन यू विल राइट डाउन द आंसर टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Question number 6 is, which 2 of the 3 diseases have similar symptoms and what are these? Which 2 of the 3 diseases have similar symptoms and what are these? वो कौन सी 2 बीमारियां हैं 3 में से? ये 3 बीमारी हमने पढ़ी, मलेरिया, डेंगू एंड चिकनगुनिया. इन तीनों में से कौन सी 2 बीमारियां ऐसी हैं जो जिनके सिम्टम्स, साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर हैं, और वो साइन एंड सिम्टम्स सिमिलर जो है वो क्या हैं? ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? सो राइट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन इन योर रजिस्टर विद ब्लैक, एंड मीनवाइल आई विल राइट डाउन द आंसर. बट बिफोर आई राइट डाउन द आंसर, आई एम गिविंग यू सम टाइम टू गो थ्रू द पैसेज एंड टेल मी द आंसर टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. When we are talking about similarities and differences here in this question, which 2 of the 3 diseases have similar symptoms, it means we are talking about similarities. So where will you go to find out the answer to this question? You will go to page number 111, and on the bottom of page number 111 you will find similarities and differences in the signs and symptoms of the 3 diseases. और वहाँ पर आप इसका आंसर फाइंड आउट करेंगे इस सवाल का कि तीनों में से कौन सी 2 डिजीजेस हैं जिनके साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स सिमिलर होते हैं, और वो सिमिलर साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स क्या हैं. कम टू पेज नंबर 111 एंड फाइंड आउट द आंसर. आई विल गिव यू हाफ अ मिनट टू गो थ्रू दिस लास्ट पैराग्राफ एंड टेल मी द डिफरेंस और द सिमिलैरिटी बिटवीन दीस 2 डिजीजेस. I hope you people have gone through this. Who will answer this question? Okay, you tell me. Tell me the page number first. Okay, 111 and paragraph. The last paragraph in the similarities and differences in the signs and symptoms of the 3 diseases. Okay, and line number 1. Very correct. The chikungunya virus is transmitted by the same mosquitoes that spread the dengue virus. Both chikungunya and dengue have almost identical symptoms and diseases process. So much so that one can be mistaken for the other. Both display joint pain, however, joint pain and inflammation caused by chikungunya are more intense and pronounced. On the other hand, low platelets count, high bleeding risk and pain behind the eyes are the main symptoms of the dengue. So in this paragraph, similarities की जहाँ तक बात हो रही है वो तो सिर्फ स्टार्टिंग 3 लाइंस में है, यानी द चिकनगुनिया वायरस इज ट्रांसमिटेड से लेकर वन कैन बी मिस्टेकन फॉर द अदर. उसके बाद जो बोथ डिस्प्ले जॉइंट पेन, हाउएवर जॉइंट पेन इज कॉज्ड बाय चिकनगुनिया आर मोर इंटेंस एंड प्रोनाउंस्ड एंड सो ऑन. ये यहाँ पर डिफरेंस बता रहे हैं इन दोनों का. हमें तो सिर्फ सिमिलैरिटीज पूछी हैं कि व्हाट टू डिजीजेस आर सिमिलर. Okay, so we will write down initial 3 lines. You may write down the question first and then write down the answer. So question number 6 is, which 2 of the 3 diseases have similar symptoms and what are these? The answer to question number 6 is, the chikungunya virus is transmitted by the same mosquitoes that spread the dengue virus. Both chikungunya and dengue have almost identical symptoms and disease processes. So much that one can be mistaken for the other. You may write down this question number 6 and answer to question number 6, and after that you will skip one line here and then you will start question number 7. So I am going to write down question number 7. Question number 7 is, how often does one have fever and chills when one has malaria? How often does one have fever and chills when one has malaria? जब किसी को मलेरिया हो जाए तो उसे कब कब कितनी मर्तबा फीवर होता है और उसको जाड़ा लगता है. You people have read this information. You may tell me the answer. I am giving you 15 seconds to find out. And remember my brothers, एक बात याद रखिएगा कि ये जो 10 questions given हैं, इनके आंसर्स हम पैसेज में ही फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं. इनके आंसर्स पैसेज में ही गिवन हैं और ये जो 10 क्वेश्चंस हैं इनके आंसर्स पैसेज में उसी सीक्वेंस में गिवन होंगे जिस सीक्वेंस में ये क्वेश्चंस हैं. यानी कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का आंसर नंबर 6 के बाद ही पैसेज में होगा, उससे पहले नहीं होगा. इज दैट क्लियर? सो नाउ यू मे गो थ्रू the passage, similarities and differences, and over there you will find the answer to question number 7. You have 15 seconds. Yes, you would like to tell this answer? Okay, fine. Tell us page number first. I hear you say page number 112. Okay, everybody come to page number 112 and paragraph number 2. Okay, paragraph number 2, everybody on page number 112. Line number 1. Fine. What is that? You may read it out to us. Okay. Abdullah says page number 112. Paragraph number 2, line number 1, the main symptoms of malaria are chills or shivering, followed by fever or sweating. These symptoms usually occur every 2 days. Very correct. This is the answer to question number 7. You may write down question number 7 and then you may copy answer to question number 7 either from the book or from the board. So answer to question number 7 is, the main symptoms of malaria are chills or shivering, followed by fever or sweating. These symptoms usually occur every 2 days. Now you people will copy down this answer to question number 7 either from book or from the board, and then you will write down question number 8 after skipping one line here. You will skip one line here and then you will write down question number 8. Question number 8 is, how do all these diseases affect our life? How do all these diseases affect our life? ये सारी डिजीजेस जो हैं, ये तीनों डिजीजेस मलेरिया, डेंगू और चिकनगुनिया कैसे हमारी जिंदगी पर असरअंदाज होती हैं? ये बीमारियां हमारी जिंदगी पर कैसे असरअंदाज होती हैं? How do all these diseases affect our life? The answer to question number 8 is also given here in the passage, and obviously after answer to question number 7. जहां क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का आपने आंसर फाइंड आउट किया है, ये हमारी बुक में आंसर नंबर 8 इसी आंसर के बाद गिवन होगा. आई एम गिविंग यू हाफ अ मिनट टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर and then discuss with me. Half a minute. Okay, my brothers. Who of you would like to tell the answer to this question number 8? Okay, you, Abdul Majid, you tell us. Okay, tell us the page number first. Okay, page number 112, paragraph, the last paragraph of this passage under the heading of prevention. Okay, and line number 1. Okay, fine. Line number 1, the last paragraph of the passage on page number 112. Everybody come to this line. It says all these diseases, that is malaria, dengue and chikungunya, affect a person's health. They affect the quality of one's work because it takes some time to recover from the weakness caused by them. Excellent, excellent, very correct. This is the answer to this question number 8. I will write down the answer on the board. You may write down the question and then answer either from the book or from the board. Here you can see I have drawn these 2 lines to mention or to remind you that you have to skip 1 line here after answer to question number 7. Then you will start question number 8, and answer is all these diseases arrest. I have written I.E. that stands for id est, id id est est. So I.E. is the short form of a Latin phrase id est, which means that is. All these diseases, that is, or you can say it as malaria, dengue and chikungunya, affect a person's health. They affect the quality of one's work because it takes some time to recover from the weakness caused by them. Now we will go through question number 9. Question number 9 is, how can we protect ourselves from these 3 diseases? हम इन 3 diseases से किस तरह अपने आप को बचा सकते हैं? So the answer is given on page number 112. You can see that there are a couple of instructions written there. So you have to go through them and find out the answer to this question. These are 7 precautions, or you can say suggestions, through which you can prevent or protect yourself from all these 3 diseases. I have written these 7 instructions or suggestions on the board as short and easy and as possible. So you people may follow these 7 points from the board here to write down in your registers. Answer is, here are a few useful suggestions to protect ourselves from these 3 diseases. Number 1, wear fully covered clothes. Number 2, use net coverings. Number 3, live in hygienic surroundings. Number 4, ensure that there is no stagnant water around. Number 5, apply good quality mosquito repellent lotion, etc. Number 6, take extra precautions from dawn to dusk. And number 7, seek medical help as soon as possible. So these are 7 suggestions in order to protect ourselves from these 3 diseases. Okay? Now, question number 10, the last question. What should we do if we want to recover quickly from these diseases? अगर हम quickly recover करना चाहते हैं तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? Write down this question. Meanwhile I am writing down the answer to question number 10 on the board. Here you can see I have skipped one line and drawn two lines to mention or remind you that you have to skip one line here after answer to question number 9. Then you will write down question number 10 and the answer is we should seek immediate medical help if you observe symptoms of these diseases, because the earlier they are treated, the quicker is the recovery. जितनी जल्दी इसको ट्रीट कर लिया जाए उतनी तेजी से रिकवरी हो जाती है. So that's all for today, my dear brothers, and we have gone through the remaining 5 questions along with their answers. So we have completed exercise number 7, 5 yesterday and 5 today. Eventually we have completed reading comprehension exercises of unit number 5. It's now time to go through the question I asked you at the beginning of this video. The question was, what goes up and down but doesn't move? What goes up and down but doesn't move? Do you people have answer? Nobody has the answer? Okay, I'll tell you the answer. And the answer is a staircase. A staircase is something that goes up and down but doesn't move. You can go up through this, you can go down through this, but it doesn't move anywhere. So when we say, where does this staircase go? So the answer is, this staircase either goes up or it goes down. यानी कि ये staircase आपको ऊपर लेकर जाता है या ये staircase आपको नीचे लेके जाता है. You can go down through this staircase. It means this staircase goes down. Is that clear? So a staircase is something that goes up and down but doesn't move. I hope that you have enjoyed this riddle too much. You will enjoy more asking this riddle to your friends, family and relatives. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. We will meet again in the next video lecture with language practice exercises to do. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.